In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily track your phone in case if you lose your phone or somebody take your phone from you. So that you watch this video, you'll be able to track your phone and get your phone back immediately if you mistakenly lose your phone or somebody take your phone from you. So make sure that you like and share this video so that others will get to see this video. So let's dive into the session. So go to your Play Store and type the app you are seeing on your screen. So search for that app that you are seeing on your screen. Then you install it on your phone, but I've already installed it, so I'm going to click on open. So it will take you to this interface. So you click on start top, then it will bring you to this point. So the next thing you will do is you click on the next, then it will bring you to here. Then you click on the access camera. So make sure that you turn the access camera so that anytime the person enter another password, it will snap the person automatically. So click on access camera, then click on next, then to bring in location. So make sure that you on the location so that anytime the person try to log into your phone, the location of the person will be captured automatically. So make sure that you on the location. So you click on it, then you click on OK, then you click on next. So you allow the allow all time, then click on next. Then the email, on your email, so you click on email, then you will add an email that you will use to receive the information of the person that tried to log into your phone, or somebody that steal your phone and trying to log into your phone. So you click on the on email, click on continue, then you choose the email that you will use to receive those information. So choose email that you can easily open in another phone. So click on OK. So click on continue. So the email has been allowed now. So you click on next, then you on your notifications, then you receive notification, then to bring you to this interface. So the next thing you need to do is click on manage, then you enable notification. So you click on manage battery setting, click on allowed, make sure that you on the background so that it will always work anytime somebody try to log into your phone with a wrong password. Then you click on activate. So you click on activate this device admin app. So you mark it and then you click on OK, then activate. So you have successfully activated the app. So let's do a test run. Let's test it. So you click try it now. I just test. So I'm going to enter a wrong password to see how it's going to work. So I try to enter my phone with a wrong password. So this I can show my information. So you can see the informations because I tried to log into the phone with a wrong password. So you can show my informations and my picture. So let me go to my email and show you. You can see the email that they sent to me. Someone tried to unlock your phone. Let me click on the email to open the email to see what is inside, the information that is inside. Someone tried to unlock your phone. You see the date and the time. You can see my picture. So the picture of the person will be captured. Then let me scroll down. If I scroll down, you can see the address of the person or the informations of the person. So you can easily go and track the person and pick the person up and get your phone back. So this is how to track your phone, so that in case you lost your phone or somebody take your phone from you, you can easily track your phone and get your phone back immediately. So if you got value from this training, make sure you like and share this video.